there is one numerical of grade 9th work and energy chapter. Let's read this numerical and let's try to find out what is given and what we need to find out. A ball is dropped from a height of 10 meters and mass of 50 grams. Okay, 50 grams का एक ball है which has been dropped from a height of 10 meters. If the energy of the ball reduces by 40% after striking the ground. अच्छा, मतलब एक बार जब नीचे आया, जैसा हिट हुआ ग्राउंड को, तो उसमें से 40% of the energy has been reduced. So how much high can the ball bounce back? Take gravity as 10 meters per second square. Okay, so first let us understand this question very well. So what I can do is I can make two cases beta. Case one, when the initial पे सब कुछ, when the ball is going down from height of 10 meters. Okay, so no doubt I think potential energy store होगा ball में जब वो 10 meters height पे है. So the potential energy in the first case, the formula is very clear: mass into gravity into height. The mass is 50 gram, gravity is 10, and the height is 10. Okay, so 50 gram I'll keep it as it is. Why? Because in the second case ball तो वही है, तो mass तो same ही रहेगा ना बेटा, करेक्ट है. So mass को हम वैसे के वैसे ही रख देते हैं basically. So 10 tens are how much? 100. So I 50 gram को वापस में mass लिख देता हूँ. So 100 m and joule is the unit. Okay, so 100 m joule is the potential energy stored in the ball which is at a height of 10 meters. Okay, now the second case. Case 2. अभी केस 2 में क्या होता है? जैसे बॉल हिट होता है ग्राउंड को, वो वापस ऊपर आता है बाउंस होके. तो ऊपर आने के बाद उसमें कितना एनर्जी स्टोर है? कुछ तो दिया है. The energy reduces by 40%. अच्छा, तो टोटल पकड़ लेते हैं 100 at the start. उसके बाद बाउंस हुआ, हिट हुआ ग्राउंड को, उसमें से 40% रेड्यूस होगा, तो बचा कितना? 60%. मतलब उसमें कितना एनर्जी होगा? ये 100 m है, अब माइनस कर लो. If you want to minus this, so I'll just write here new potential energy. In the second case, उसमें कितना होगा? 100 minus 40% reduce हो गया है, so it would be 40 by 100. So it's but natural कितना रहेगा? आंसर 60. So 60 m joule. If you remember, हमने मास को टच नहीं किया था, हमने वैसे ही रखा है मास. So I will write 60 m joule. So ये 60 m joule कैलकुलेट करने के लिए हमारे पास फॉर्मूला क्या रहेगा? m into g into h2. करेक्ट. So I'll write 60 m, this m as it is. Gravity कितना है? 10, and I'll write the second height. Straight away mass gets cancelled, the 0 gets cancelled, so the height is how much? 6 meters. इसका मीनिंग क्या हो गया बेटा? जब 10 meters पे था, उसको ड्रॉप किया, it hits the ground, it comes back to a height of only 6 meters. Why? Because 40% of the energy has been reduced. तो उसमें बचा कितना? 60%. तो ये 60 वाला लॉजिक लगाना इंपॉर्टेंट था. Share this to your friends of grade 9th. Okay, and I'll come back in the next video with more interesting numericals. Okay, so please subscribe. That is more important. So don't miss out any of the videos of physics for grade 9th and 10th. Thank you. Bye-bye.